Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Zahra Nurul Qolbi, Class 9 MTS 40 Sarongge. In this video, I will give a recipe for how to make pancakes. Let's check the material, tools, and how to make it. The ingredients are 6 tablespoons of flour, 1 tablespoon of milk, margarine, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 100 ml of UHT milk, and sweetened condensed milk. And the tools are teflon, spoon, bowl, ladle, and plate. How to make it? Let's check it out. Step 1. Prepare a container, then shake the egg and sugar. Step 2. After it mixed well, add milk, margarine, flour, milk, and baking powder. Stir until evenly distributed and thicken. Step 3. Heat teflon when it feels hot. Pour the mixture as much as 1 spoonful of vegetable. Step 4. Give bubbles of hash pair on the top of the dough. Turn the dough over, wait a moment, then pick up, and so on until the dough runs out. Step 5. Finally, serve with topping according to taste. In this time, use sweetened condensed milk topping. The pancakes are finished and ready to be enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.